Unraveling Idioms, Mind Boggles. Hello, and welcome to another episode of English Idioms Unpacked. Today, we're diving into the phrase that tickles the brain, mind boggles. This intriguing expression is a real gem in the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get our mind-boggling journey started. The phrase, mind boggles, refers to a situation where something is so extraordinary or complicated that it is difficult to imagine or understand. Imagine you're trying to solve a puzzle with a million pieces, or when you hear a fact so surprising that it seems almost impossible. That feeling of your brain doing a somersault? That's your mind boggling. Interestingly, mind boggles is one of those idiomatic expressions whose exact origin is hard to pinpoint. However, it's believed to have appeared in the 17th century, deriving from the word boggle, which means to hesitate or have doubts. The term evolved to describe the feeling of being overwhelmed or astounded by something. Using mind boggles in a sentence is not as daunting as it may seem. It's often used in the form, it boggles the mind. For example, it boggles the mind to think that we are all made of stardust. When you encounter something unbelievable, simply expressing that it boggles the mind will convey your amazement perfectly. Let's look at a few examples. When I look at the vastness of the universe, the mind boggles. The amount of data processed on the internet every second truly boggles the mind. Her ability to recall complex theories without notes is a mind-boggling feat. And there we have it. Whether it's the depth of the ocean or the complexity of human emotions, the English language has a fantastic way of capturing that sense of wonder and disbelief with mind boggles. I hope this video helps clarify the phrase for you, and you feel confident using it. Until next time, keep learning and keep your mind boggling.